It's with great pleasure that I introduce to you the new Community Solutions brand. This brand reflects our personality, our values, and how we'd like to be perceived in each of the communities in which we operate. It's not much different from the previous Community Solutions brand, but it does allow us the flexibility to acknowledge our amalgamation partners now and in the future, and to also highlight each of the towns in which we operate. Thanks for taking the time to understand our brand in more detail, and I hope you find the following interesting and informative. Thank you. The new Community Solutions logo has a couple of subtle changes. Firstly, if you have a look, the two M's in community are joined together. This shows our belief in partnerships, particularly within communities. We've also joined up the T and the Y, and if you look carefully, the word unity becomes quite prominent. We've also adjusted the size of the font proportionate to the logo itself. It's far more balanced and looks very professional, which is how we'd like to present ourselves in a public arena. Importantly, this is our logo. We've designed it, and this will be very much a centre point to our Community Solutions brand. The Community Solutions logo has two different formats. One, a landscape presentation, which is our preferred use of the logo, but we also have a stacked or portrait version, which can be used where we have restrictions in relation to space. In some circumstances, we would use a black and white version of the logo, but preferably we would like to use our colour landscape version. It's really exciting that we can now use our new logo as part of our new professional brand. As you can see with these examples, the Community Solutions Town by Town logo can be incorporated on brochures, business cards, signs and name tags. It's bright, it's professional, it's exciting, many of the attributes that we would like to be as an organisation. We'll be developing a toolbox of templates and examples so that it is very easy for staff in each of our sites to use our brand and place our logo where it's required. As you can see in these examples, there are a variety of uses of our brand and logo, including brochures, business cards, office signage and banners. The toolbox will also include all the necessary details in relation to font, colours and a wonderful range of images that can be used in all the different forms of collateral. These elements will be used across all facets of our branding, from building signage, promotional brochures to name badges, business cards and eventually the new Community Solutions website. Our brand also allows for co-branding, which is really important to acknowledge our amalgamation partners, particularly during the transition period. In this example, you can see how the Community Solutions logo can be co-branded with the logo of an amalgamation partner. We can use this format in a variety of purposes as with the Community Solutions brand. This same format can be used where we are required to acknowledge the logos of funding partners also. Our new brand will be introduced and implemented over the next few months as needs and opportunities arise. A new style guide has been developed to support the implementation and the maintenance of our new brand. And all of our staff will be able to access this via eKey in the near future. Consistency in our branding will be paramount to the success of this change. Elise Martin will be working with our people to introduce the new brand and its associated procedures and to review all branded materials prior to their distribution. The first stage of the rollout of the new brand will be the provision of the newly branded name badges for all of our people, including our amalgamation partners, Compass Whitsunday, Pioneer Employment Service and Bay Support Services. Thanks heaps for your support and feedback. We couldn't have developed the new Community Solutions brand without all of the great ideas from many of our people across our organisation. I look forward to working with you and our new brand to tell our story in each of the communities in which we're based. Thanks for your time and we'll catch up again.